Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's class. And very quickly, I just want to let us know that for whatever it is we'll be doing in today's class and in subsequent one is that we'll be tending to some questions on indices. And there's a reason why I decided to come out with this topic this way. So we'll be doing one question for each video for as many questions that we can uh, tend to on indices. And the very first one we'll be beginning with is what we are having on the board here today. We have to simplify this. That is 3x squared yq all raised to the power of 5. And we'll be applying the laws of indices that concerns every questions that will be taken. So for this, now we have some terms inside the bracket and all raised to the power of 5. So the power here affects everything inside the bracket. So we'll be bringing the bracket or removing the bracket rather. Sorry. So this will be having 3 raised to the power of 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2 times 5 because this is a power and this is a power. And one of the law of indices for states that when we have a raised to the power of m, for instance, or raised to the power of n, what this means is a raised to the power of m times n, which is a raised to the power of m n. So that is why we're having this as this. So then we have times y raised to the power of 3 times 5. So this will finally becomes 3 raised to the power of 5 is 243 x raised to the power of 2 times 5, 10 y raised to the power of 15. And that is that for the simplification of what question we have here. So in the next video, we'll be taking another question that is still a little bit higher than this, but still on indices. See you in the next video.